In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the laser pointer in PowerPoint. If you've ever wanted to guide your audience's eyes to a specific part of a slide without cluttering it with arrows or animation, the built-in laser pointer is perfect. It's quick, it's subtle, and it keeps the focus on your message while you speak. Start by opening your PowerPoint presentation. Make sure the slides you plan to present are ready to go, with any notes or visuals already in place. The laser pointer works only while you're actually presenting, so the next thing you'll do is start the slideshow. You can begin from the very start using From Beginning, or jump into the middle using From Current Slide. Both options are available near the slideshow controls, and either one is fine depending on where you want to begin. Once your slideshow is running and a slide is visible full screen, get your hand ready for the shortcut. On Windows, press and hold the Control key. On a Mac, press and hold the Option key. Keep that key held down. That's what tells PowerPoint you're about to use the laser pointer rather than just moving your cursor around. While holding that key, click and hold the left mouse button directly on the slide. You'll see your cursor transform into a bright dot, just like a real laser pointer. This dot only appears while you're holding both the key and the mouse button, so maintain that hold as you point things out. Now, move your mouse to highlight the area you want your audience to focus on. Aim for smooth, deliberate movements. If you're emphasizing a label, pause briefly over the word so people have time to read. When pointing at charts or diagrams, trace along the line or border slowly rather than zigzagging. Steady motions are easier for viewers to follow. Try to keep the dot slightly offset from small text so you don't cover letters as people read. When you're finished pointing something out, simply release the mouse button. The laser pointer will disappear immediately, letting the audience return to the full view of the slide without distraction. If you want to point again, just repeat the same action. Hold Ctrl on Windows or Option on Mac, click and hold the left mouse button and move to highlight. Let go to stop. A quick practice run helps you find a comfortable hand position, especially if you use a trackpad. Keep your motions smooth, pause intentionally on key items, and use the laser pointer sparingly to maximize impact. That's all you need to use the laser pointer in PowerPoint with confidence.